Hi all and welcome back to another new video of learning Excel from basic to advanced. So in today's video we are going to learn about three formulas majorly, that is if, and, or. So let's see how if function works if you want to check pass or fail, and if you want to compare the grades with the marks. So for this, since this is a very simple logic to find out whether the pass or fails, so for this we will only be using if function. And if function would work accurately when you have a minimalistic kind of searches or minimal kind of requirements you want to check, right? So now I'm giving a logical test called this, and this should be greater than or equals to 50%, then the value true would be pass, if not fail, and click on enter. So here it's showing pass because 88 is greater than 50, hence the person is pass. So here you can check all these things based on the uh, test scores or percentage that an employee has gained based on the percent or whatever the entrance exam that you ask a professional to give. And here it's failed because 44 is lesser than 50, again failed because it's lesser than 50. And if we see all the other things, it's reflecting as pass because the other numbers are greater than 50. So coming to the second step, where we need to find out the grades, right? Now, for grades, if function does not work accurately, so for this, if we have a multiple things to check in a single sheet, that its logical function would work accurate, because ifs compare multiple things and gives us the value that we need. So now I selected D3 greater than or equals to 91, then it is a grade A. And again I need to pass the logical test second time, so again I'm selecting D3. If it is greater than or equals to 71, then it would be B. And now again for the third scenario, again I'm selecting D3. If greater than or equals to C equals to 51, then it's a C. Now this one, if it is lesser than or equals to 50, then it's F. Boom! It gave us the answer. So here it's reflecting B because the score range is between 71 and 90. If we even see this criteria here, based on the criteria also, it's saying like B, right? And now let's check only F's. 44 is F because it is lesser than 50, lesser than 50. And 66 C because it is between 51 and 70. And this one 91 and 99 because they fall under the slab of 91 to 100. I hope this one is quite easy for you people to understand, because it's like very easy. If it's like you select this range and give it like if it is a greater than or equals to kind of formula, and then give your specification or requirement. If it is equals to, then it's pass, if not it's fail. And always try to remember, this first value should represent the true value, and the second value, this one, should represent the false value. True value in the sense like what exactly you want the answer to be represented as, and false value, if that doesn't fall under the category you're selecting, then it should reflect as false. That's the reason, make sure like you give an accurate terms. between the semicolons. And here also under the columns I gave my own logic, right? A, B, C, and D. These are not part of formula, but these are something I have added myself. That's the reason it's reflecting like this. And yeah, now let's jump into the and or logical functionings. So basically, and is something like where both the criteria to be met. Only at that point of time we use the and if we require any kind of this one to be met, only one single criteria among the given two criteria, at that point of time we use a formula called or. Now for the first thing, let's check with and equals to A and D. And so my first logic is this one should be greater than or equals to 100, comma, then this one greater than equals to 100, comma. Now I'll be selecting E4. Then E4 should also be like greater than or equals to 15,000 as per the given logic. If you see here, a sales bonus is based on having made at least 100 sales call and having made at least 15,000 in sales. If both the conditions is met, then the bonus is given. So based on that criteria I gave this formula, and this sales call and also total sales to be met, but here it's giving me true and I don't want true. So what I do is like I add the if function here. If this criteria meets, then it should give me yes. If not, no. And then enter. Boom. So this person need to receive bonus and this person is not eligible for the bonus. Same is the case for this person. This person is eligible for the bonus. Not eligible because only one criteria was being met, not both the criteria. Same is the case with here. Only one criteria has been met but not the second criteria. And if you want to check only for the single or alternative kind of things, whether the person have achieved either of the bonuses, target to achieve the bonus, sorry. So a sales bonus is based on having made either at least 100 sales call or having made at least 15,000 in sales. If either condition is met, the bonus is given. So for this first I'll be using or function as I mentioned because we are checking either this or that equals to 100, comma, then this should also be greater than or equals to 15,000. Enter. So here again I don't want true or false. So again before or function I'll apply the if function, comma, yes, no. What happens is like if he doesn't put these things in a double quoted columns, then the new formula gets opened and we don't want the new formula to get opened, right? That is the reason we are doing this. Boom, even this is sorted. So here is a notes for all of your references. So what are the operators and what the condition of or this operator represents to what has been mentioned under the conditions. So I'll be giving you this assignment sheet and this would be attached in the description column, so you can go and check over there, and these two are examples for you people to check how if function works and how if error function works. Both the criterias would be mentioned here, so you can refer this example 1 and also the example 2 just for the reference. and try to take the help of these notes where the operators can be used and when operators cannot be used, or try to analyze that and work on this assignment 3. And till I make my next video, stay tuned to our channel all about HR. And yeah, if you haven't watched the previous videos, then please do go and watch them because they are also very crucial for us. In previous videos I have explained about max, mini, sum, large, small, many other formulas. So I'm taking it step by step. Before you just jump into this video, if you could go back to that video and check, that would really add up benefits for you people. Yes, so till our next video, stay connected and click on the subscribe button, and do not forget to click on the notification bar and share this video with your beloved friends who wants to learn Excel. Thank you.